welcome to another informative video from STP. I'm Rick Baucom, and today I'm going to walk you through how to select your agenda for STPCon. Some of you may have already selected your workshops and sessions when you registered for STPCon. Thanks for that. If you haven't selected anything yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to quickly fill out your agenda so that you're prepared for the conference. Why do we need you to select your workshops and sessions? Well, knowing how many attendees will be in the sessions helps us set the rooms the right way. It also helps the instructor know how many attendees to expect in their workshop or session. Some common questions we receive from attendees every STPCon are, can I print my agenda? And do I have to go to the workshops or sessions I've selected? Well, the answers are yes and no. Yes, we will be able to print the agenda on site, but I'm going to show you how you can print it yourself toward the end of this video. As far as your selections go, as mentioned earlier, we use these selections to set rooms, but we do not hold you to these selections. You can come and go as you please. Well, let's go ahead and get into this and you'll see how simple this really is. So first of all, you want to go to stpcon.com. This is where you registered for the conference. You also found out lots of different information about the event schedule, our speakers, our hotel, and our sponsors. And what you want to do is hover over Pricing Spring 2019, and you want to click on Register Now. We're actually not registering again. We're just going back into the registration, the third-party registration system that we use. It's a system called Reg Online by Cvent. So as this opens up, you'll see that probably your email address is already populated here. If it's not, you want to use the email address that you registered for the conference with. If you have a problem remembering your password, you can go ahead and click the Forget Password link here, and it'll give you a dialog box to change your password. So we're going to go ahead and hit Continue here, and this is where it's going to take me to enter my password. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I hit Enter. And this will actually open up my record itself. So as you can see, I am a primary attendee. I have selected Package A, which is the main conference plus days 1 and 2 of the pre-conference workshops. So when you select different packages, if you were, say, for instance, Package B, in just a moment where we go to select your sessions, you'll only see the sessions that are available during Package B time, which is the conference only. If you selected Package A, you'll see all of the workshops plus all of the conference sessions as well that you can select. So I'm going to go ahead and I can do it two different ways here. I can either hit Continue. It'll take me to the confirmation page where I then have to select my agenda at the top of the screen, or I can just go ahead and click Select Your Sessions right here. Now, as you can see, I've already selected some of my sessions. I've got them all lined up. I've selected one session in each session block. You can see I have one here for the 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. time block on the workshops on Monday. I also have selected one for the 1 to 4 p.m. If you do try to select more than one session or workshop during the same time period, when you press Next, it will give you an error that you cannot do that. So you need to make sure that you're only selecting one session per time block. You really can't be in two places at once, unfortunately. So we've got ours selected here. If you've already selected your sessions as well, you can actually come back in here this way and you can make some changes. Like for instance, I'm gonna switch to that session right here. Also, I saw one earlier that I was interested in, testing AI-based systems. I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna unselect this one so I don't have, actually that's the correct one. Look at that. I'm going to unselect this one because I want to go to this time-based, the testing AI-based systems. So once you've selected all of the workshops and sessions that you want to attend, you come all the way down at the bottom and you click Continue. Pretty simple. At this point, it sends you to the checkout screen. And the last step that you have to do is you just have to click Finish. What that'll do is provide you to the next and let you know that your registration is complete. You will actually also receive a confirmation email of the changes to your particular record. So you can check your email box for that. And if you'd like to go ahead and print your session, your agenda, you can do that very easily here under Documents. You go to Printable Schedule, click that. It should download the file. There it is. Double click it, and here is my agenda. I can print that out for my records and bring that with me to the conference, and then I know which ones I wanted to go see. As I mentioned earlier, once you get to the conference itself, it's okay if you decide to go to a different workshop or session. We do not hold you to these selections. These selections really just help us set up the rooms properly so we can inform the instructor of how many people we believe will be in their workshop or session, and it actually helps us set the room properly with chairs and other equipment. So that pretty much sums it up on how to select your sessions. So we appreciate your time, and we really looking forward to seeing you in Burlingame, California, April 1st through the 4th for STPCon Spring 2019.